Hi everyone, myself and Arun Kumar from Ascens College of Technology in the Department of ECE. In this video, I am going to share about data center networking. Data center networkings are based on networking architecture, topology design, addressing, routing, and forwarding techniques. The data center interconnection structures are followed by nodes in the system. So based on the node, the racks are connected in between the layers. And next one is the layers which is having a bottom level approach. It is based on rack switches, one to two layers, aggregation switches, access routers, crowd routers. Cisco recommended DC structure. The Cisco models are specified for networking infrastructure, especially for Cisco model. It is a predefined one. So based on the Cisco, we can able to forward the information in the networking in data. So here they are given about infrastructure regarding Cisco model. So initially the internet has been assigned for the particular data so that it is able to transfer the information to the next layer with the help of data centric approach. So in this model, the layer 2 is the technique which is used to assign the data as a key model because each and every users are having some password protection so that the key factors are assigned and forwarding the data based on the encryption techniques. Data center design requirements. The requirements are based on the data which is used to transmit the informations. Initially, it is based on data centers typically run two type of applications, outward facing and internal computations. And next one is workload. Based on the multiple services, we can able to connect more number of datas. Demand for new services. Sometime if we want to add more number of data at the same time means we need to get the information from the users priorly so that the receiver can know about how the data has been forwarded from the user side. And next one is failure of the service. So it is purely based on the number of time the data has been forwarded from the user side, so that it can be reflected to the receiver side without any modification of the data. Initially, the servers are assigned based on the dynamic reassignment of chunk servers or jobs or tasks which are to be assigned to the servers or failures from the data. Data center cost. Each and every component has been prescribed by the some cost factors because the following components are the cost factor which will affect the subcomponent also. For example, if you take a network which is around 50 percentage of the total cost, so it can be affected the following components such as switches and links and transit models, so that the data cannot reach to the destination yet. So it has to be considered while forwarding the informations. Overall data center design goal, agility, any services and any server. If you want to connect more number of data at the same time, we need to access our data based on the servers. Well, servers are the medium which is used to regulate the data to the users at any time on any server, so that that data are assigned randomly to the users so that they can able to access any data at any server. And next one is benefits: increase the service developer productivity, lower cost, achieve high performance and reliability. Achievability. There are some three type of management which will be provided for enhancing the data. First one is workload management and the storage management and network management. So these three type of managements are causing the data to the users, which more number of unique data without any delays. Networking objectives: uniform high capacity, performance isolation, ease of management, plug and play. So these three factors are assigned for the networkers so that they can able to match or catch the information to the users without any type of modification, and they are passing the data to the receiver without any modifications. Is today's DC architecture adequate? Already the Cisco prescribed one model. So based on the model, we can configure all the datas what they are preferred, so that they can able to catch the information without any delay or modification, or without any distortions. So this is one of the technique which is used for forwarding the information up to 1 gigahertz, 10 gigahertz also. Yeah, with scalable commodity data center network architectures are based on the bandwidth operations, because it is forwarding the data from one frequency to another frequency. Throughout the highest frequency, we can able to calculate. So the particular distance we can able to match by bisection bandwidth model, so that we can implement and address or forwarding the data to the users. And next one is optional materials. So Portland B cubes are the materials which is used to configure the Cisco model devices. Scalable commodity. The key factors are used to assign data based on the host communication model. And if you are getting any information without any delay model, we can use backward compatible with existing infrastructure. And next is cost effective. We are using a authentication process, so it is it's not on a cheap infrastructure. The light may be some cost effective will be occurred in this network architecture. Factory based. After consideration of Cisco model, we can forwarding the data based on the tree model, fan tree model. So initially the tree is having some branches, the branches are some nodes are connected with the other branches. So like that all the nodes are assigned and connected to the entire model, so that we can able to transmit the information based on the tree model. All the tree models are assigned in a single mode. So if you are considering data type model, here we are using some additional parameters such as constant k equal to 3, supporting 54 hosts. Once if you are assigning model k equal to 3, we can use up to 54 hosts as a same scalable. After maintaining the switches to this model, we can get the lot of output from delay model. While comparing the delay or failure model, we can get the lot of advantages over here. So it's shown about how the data has been assigned and forwarding the data. And next one is assessment. Factory technology topology is a great, but does using a factory topology to interconnect the racks of servers in itself is sufficient? Because so far we have discussed about factory technology assigned by the Cisco model. So here they are asking about interconnect racks, because the data are forwarding based on the interconnect racks through the server. So here they are using layer 2 and layer 3. Layer 2 is a switch algorithm here they are assigning here. Next one is IP routing. So internet protocol routing is used to assign, so that the TCP models are enabled and it can be accessed all the remaining data to forwarding the informations. And if it is equal, cast multipath routing also happen at each switching independently. And packet reordering also occur, so that they can able to note or necessarily balance the data based on the routing. Thank you.